Hi, good evening. Andito na naman si Jennifer. So tonight, I will show you how to play Mahjong. Shuffle and shuffle, 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 shuffle ng ating cards. And by the way guys, sticks is very important, you know, dahil pang ano siya, pang tulak, or pang ganito. Ayan, ganyan siya guys. Maganda si stick, kailangan talaga natin stick. If you don't have stick, you can use a roller. And of course, we need a dice. You can use 2 dice or 3 dice. Pwede siya magamit para pang start natin guys. Sino yung mag-umpisa guys? Sino yung mag-draw, siya ang dyan mag-start ang number. Ganito siya. Well, this is 9. Start from me. And kung saan this one, matapos siya ang mag-serve. Okay, it's 9. Start from me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, ako ang mag-serve. So, ang gagawin natin ay i-shuffle muna natin ang ating tiles and then kailangan natin ang sticks, guys. And of course, kailangan natin ang dice. If wala kayong 3 dice, you can use 2 dice. So, ayan siya, guys. Okay, mag-umpisa na tayo. Tingnan natin kung anong number ang lalabas. I have to roll the dice. I have here 2 dice. Okay. Tingnan natin. Okay, 5 and 6. 5 and 6 equals 11. So, 11 siya guys. Mag-umpisa dito ang ating serving. So, ako ang serving. We have to count the tiles. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Since 11 siya guys, ipatong natin and then dyan natin kukunin ang ating flower. Since ako ang server, mag-umpisa sa akin ang aking distribution. So, ayan siya. 4, 4, 4. Ang gagawin natin ngayong gabi, we have to play 16 tiles. Ayan. 16 tiles tayo ngayong gabi. And then, gusto ko yung 16 tiles, guys, dahil it's more fun. It's more fun. Marami silang mapagpilian. Okay? So, ayan siya. I-distribute mo lang siya. But, huwag kalimutan, you have to distribute the tiles counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, you have to distribute ganyan, guys. So, ito siya. 12. Okay, 16. 16. Ayan. 16 na ang ating tiles. Since ako ang server, magkuha ako ng extra tile. Ayan siya. Ang extra tile, guys, I have to put it back. Pero makapili ako kung gusto ko siya, maganda ang number, so piliin ko siya. I have to keep it. But I have to choose away the list na ayaw mo. Ayan, siya ang ayaw ko. Siya ang red dragon. Hindi siya number. So, ilagay ko dyan siya. So, dyan mag-umpisa. After sa akin, counterclockwise. So, next na is from my right. Ayan siya ang magbunot, choose, and ilagay ang ayaw niya. O, ayan lang siya. Bunot, you choose, and toss. Bunot, you choose, and discard. Bunot, you choose, and discard. So, that's very easy. So, ngayong gabi, turuan ko kayo kung ano ang Kang and ano ang secret. Sa secret, guys, if meron kayong secret, 4 identical numbers sa ating suits. Kung maski saan, aside sa flower, guys, kung meron kayong 4 na red dragons, magawa siya ng secret. Ang gagawin niyo sa secret ay ilabas ninyo siya, guys. If this is your secret, 4 siya. Kung ito ang secret ninyo, 4 na secret, ilabas ninyo ang secret. So, ayan siya guys. Ang Mahjong ay merong suits, 3 suits. Ano ba yung suits? Bamboo, Chinese character, and bola. So, ayan siya. And sa atin namang wind, meron tayong 4 na wind, north, east, west, and south. And sa ating flowers, meron tayong 8 flowers dito, number 1 to 4. So, ayan siya guys. Ngayong gabi, turuan ko kayo paano magawa ng Kang and bakit nagiging secret siya. So, ito guys, ang gagawin ninyo ay kunin ninyo ang apat na the same character. Halimbawa, apat na bamboo. Number 4 bamboos or 10 bamboos. As long as it's apat guys, the same number, the same character, the same suit, magiging secret siya. So, ayan, si secret. If you have secret, all you have to do is ilagay siya sa front mo. Ayan. If this is your stick, ilagay sa front. And you have to pick up from your flower side. Pick up, choose if you like the number, and discard. Ang Kang naman guys is apat na number guys, but before magiging Kang, you have to PONG from somebody. How to PONG? Meron ka ng dalawang number, dalawang twin number, dalawang identical number. Halimbawa, meron kang dalawang tweet-tweet guys, dalawang tweet-tweet. And then, kung sino sa kanila ang makatapo ng pangatlong tweet-tweet, so magiging PONG mo siya. Sabihin mo, tweet-tweet. Sabihin mo, PONG. And then, kunin mo ang kunin mo dito ang tatlong tweet-tweet. Ayan siya. So, PONG na siya, no, di ba? And then, paano ko siya magiging Kang? So, from PONG, magiging Kang siya. Why? If ma-pick up mo ang fourth number, fourth identical tweet-tweet, so magiging Kang siya. All you have to do is tweet-tweet. So, kuha ka dito sa flower. You choose the tiles if you like. If you don't like it, and then you discard it. That's it. Dragon and wind, pwede rin siyang ma-secret guys. Kung meron kayong apat, sa una pa lang na makita ninyo ang apat guys, so pwedeng ma-secret yan siya. Along the way, kung bunot na bunot, nakabunot kayo ng apat, identical numbers, or quadruplets guys, pareho ang mga mukha niya guys. So, ang gagawin ninyo ay sabihin ninyo na secret. So, of course, meron kayong secret. Saan kayo bubunot na secret? Dito sa flower. Ayan. So, ang rule natin dito is bunot, choose, and discard. Okay, pick up, you choose if you like the number, and discard kung ayaw ninyo sa number. So, ayan siya. So, again, meron kayong secret, and you have to bunot from the flower, and hindi pa pala ito nakaano. And, tingnan ninyo kung gusto ninyo ang number or hindi. Pag hindi ninyo gusto ang number, then you have to discard the number. But if nakabunot kayo dito sa inyong secret, halimbawa, you have your secret, and you pick up from the flower, of course. And when you pick up, it's a flower. So, well guys, kung meron kayong secret, you don't need to tell ano ang number ng secret or ano ang secret mo guys. Secret, alam niya na meron kang secret, of course, but just be quiet kung ano dito. You have to pick up from your flower side. Since it's flower, you have to pick it up again. And this, is gusto ko siya. So, you have to choose anong number ang gusto ninyo. Ayaw ko ito. Ayaw ko sa wind, so I have to pick up the wind. But every time you throw something, guys, every time you discard the tiles, you have to say it. Sabihin niyo na, south, or north, or bamboo, or bola. Ayan ninyo, sabihin ang number. 1 ball, 9 cutter, or 5 bamboos or 5 circles. Ayan, sasabihin niyo guys, dahil ang mga tao, they are so busy looking at their tiles and thinking what they're going to do. So, ang gagawin niyo, you have to say it when you discard it. Ang secret guys, makuha mo ang apat na number. You have to put it in front of you and pick up from your flower side. Pick up, choose, and discard. Ayan. Sa Kang naman, ang gagawin natin sa Kang ay magpong siya and then ma-pick up natin ang pang-apat na number. So, yan ang magiging Kang. So, that's how we play the secret and the Kang, guys. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and comment below if you learn a little bit or something about today's tutorial. And huwag niyong kalimutan, sipain ninyo yung notification bell para sa susunod na upload ko, susunod na tutorial, ma-notify kayo. Okay, thank you. Bye!